Hi, welcome to Lanas y Ovillos, the English channel. My name is Alba, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the square version of the African flower granny square. You will learn step by step how to make this square. Remember that you can find the chart of this pattern and other patterns in my website. You can find the link on the description below. And if you are new in this channel, remember to subscribe and click on the bell to receive the notifications of my new videos. Well, now let's go with a step by step. Start from the center, making a slip knot and chain 4. You have to join with a slip stitch with the first chain to make a circle. And now start with a chain 3. This will be the first double crochet, and then make a double crochet in the circle. We will work this row in the circle. And we have now 2 double crochet. Chain 1 and make another group of 2 double crochet. Chain 1 and another group of 2 double crochet. Chain 1 and this is what you have to repeat to the end, to have 8 groups of 2 double crochet and chain 1. Once you finished, you have to join with a slip stitch with the third chain, and then in my case I will cut the yarn and change the color. You have to slip to the chain 1 space here. You have to change the color. Start with a chain 3. This will be the first double crochet, and in the chain 1 space you have to make 1 double crochet. Chain 2 and in the same space 2 double crochet. This is the first group. Now, on the following chain 1 space, you have to make 2 double crochet, chain 2, and in the same space another group of 2 double crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. On the following chain 1 space, 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet in the same space. you have to repeat the same to have 8 groups of 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet. Now in my case I will continue the row number 3 with the same color. You have to slip to the chain 2 space and start with the chain 3 and make in the chain 2 space a group of 7 double crochet. Counting the first chain 3 as the first double crochet, make 7 double crochet in the chain 2 space. Now on the following chain 2 space you have to repeat the same 7 double crochet. On the following chain 2 space, repeat the same 7 double crochet. And this is what you have to repeat to have 8 groups of 7 double crochet. Now, in my case I will change the color again, place the yarn, and you have to make 7 single crochet, counting the chain 1 as the first single crochet, and once you finish the single crochet number 7 you have to make a single crochet, but making the single crochet in between of the 2 groups of double crochet of the previous row. So take the yarn, pull up the yarn and make the single crochet. Continue making 1 single crochet on each double crochet, so 7 single crochet. And repeat another extended single crochet. So take the yarn, pull up the yarn and complete the single crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end: 7 single crochet and 1 extended single crochet. This is the part of the flower, And now we have to start with the edge. To make the edge, in my case I will take a light color. Place the yarn. Start with 4 single crochet. Then 1 half double crochet. Two double crochet, and now we have to start making one corner. To make one corner you have to make a treble crochet, chain 3, and in the same space another treble crochet. This is the first corner. Now continue on the other side with 2 double crochet, one half double crochet, 4 single crochet, and here in the middle of the other side 1 half double crochet, and you have to continue again with 4 single crochet, one half double crochet, 2 double crochet, another corner with a treble crochet, chain 3 and a treble crochet in the same space, continue with 2 double crochet, one half double crochet, 4 single crochet, and 1 half double crochet, and this is what you have to repeat to the end. 4 single crochet, one half double crochet, 2 double crochet, one treble crochet, chain 3 and 1 treble crochet in the same space, and continue on the other side with 2 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 4 single crochet, 1 half double crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. If you want, you can stop the granny square here. In my case, I will add another row. I will make a row of all the stitches with single crochet, and at the corner I will make 2 single crochet, chain 2 and 2 single crochet in the same space to make the corner. Continue with single crochet on the side of the granny square to the end, to the corner. And once you're at the corner, again 2 single crochet, chain 2 and 2 single crochet. Continue with single crochets on the sides and at the corner 2 single crochet, chain 2 and 2 single crochet. Once you finish, you have to join with a slip stitch and you finished your African flower granny square. In my case, I will block it and here you can see 2 different granny squares with different colors. Remember that you can find the chart of this granny square in my website. You will find the link on the description below. Well, that's all. I hope you like it. Remember to subscribe to receive the notifications of my new videos and remember to visit my website to find other free videos.